Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Lego build of one of my favorite magical creatures, Buckbeak the Hippogriff. I'm probably saying that wrong. And I'm also going to put on the first Harry Potter movie. So while I build, I'm going to watch. It will be a time lapse. And stay tuned at the end as I will be discussing my most recent trip to Edmonton, where I went to the Lego store. And I actually picked up 3 sets, so I will be doing a haul reveal as well. So let's dive into the build. So Buckbeak is finished. So I thought I would do my haul for my first ever Lego store visit. So I picked up 3 sets. I actually had a budget set, so I had a set amount of money I was going to spend, not specifically how many sets I was allowed to buy. And yes, I say allowed because I limited myself with how much money I was actually allowed to spend at the Lego store. So I picked up 3 sets. The first one is, we'll do this one first. Quality Quidditch supplies. And then the ice cream parlor. And this is, oh, I wrote down his name. I'm pretty sure it's Florean Fortescue's ice cream parlor, I think is what it would be. Now the Diagon Alley set actually does come in like a full set where you get everything. But if I'm not mistaken, you don't get the post office or the owl post office, whatever it's called. I got that with my Weasley Wizard Wheezy set. So I only need one more of the Diagon Alley set to complete it, which is Madame Malkin's and Ollivander's, which is like a duo thing like this one. So next set I get. I'm hoping to get that one. Next up is one of the newer sets. Oh my god, this one's heavy. Malfoy Manor. And this one I'm extra excited about because it's actually one of the only current sets where you can get Voldemort wherever he's hiding. There he is. He's up there. And I don't think you can actually get Lucius and Narcissa in any other set, or where is she? Bellatrix. So it's kind of cool to get those minifigures that you can't typically get all the time. And I think Luna's up here too. So is Dobby. So this one's going to be cool to build. And finally, the one that I am arguably most excited about. And this one was on my list for a long time. Go back up a little. The Burrow. I am so excited about this one. And it also, this one I think is the only set that includes the entire Weasley family, unless I'm mistaken. You can get like Fred and George. Where's the whole picture of them? There it is. You can get Fred and George in the Weasley Wizard Wheezy set, and then, which I already have. I built that one. It's actually, you can kind of see it right there. You can also get Ron and Ginny pop up in various sets. One thing that I will note about the Malfoy Manor set as well, Ron's not in it. And it's supposed to depict that scene at Malfoy Manor when they get taken by the Snatchers there and Harry's face is all screwed up and everything. Ron's not in the Malfoy Manor set, which is kind of weird to me. Anyways, with the Burrow, I have never seen the rest of the Weasley family in any other set, so I'm excited to have all of them. And here he is, Buckbeak looking all majestic. I really love how the set turned out. This part's really cute little addition. Really relaxing way to spend the afternoon. And I'm almost finished the first movie. This did take me 2 days though, so I did some last night and then today. But thanks so much for hanging out with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow along for some more cozy creative content. I'd love to hear also if you have ever been to a Lego store, and if you have, what did you get or what is on your wish list? So just leave me a comment down below, and until next time, stay cozy, stay curious, and keep building your little world.